Hi, I am Mohammad Ahmed Kamar and I am from Pakistan. Upset by the locust attack that many African and Asian countries, including Pakistan, faced this year, I witnessed the graveness of climate change. With this first-hand experience of what it can do, I built my vision around working towards the sustainability transition to participate in helping to mitigate the upcoming disasters. Today, I'm fabricating a vertical axis wind turbine as part of my final year project, and I'm also pioneering research on viability and potentiality of small-scale wind turbines along the highways of Pakistan. In that project, I'm working on assessing the techno-economic feasibility of utilizing vehicle-induced airflow to model highways as standalone power systems. Moreover, I've taken several online courses, have attended a week-long international conference on sustainability, and have written a couple of blogs to dwell on my vision effectively. My goal is to help bring about carbon neutrality on a global level to combat the threat of climate change. I want to do that by becoming an academic in the future so that I could play my part in easing the feasibility of the energy transition. To be able to do this, I must gain a holistic understanding of the renewable energy sector, provided with the most up-to-date, state-of-the-art research facilities, which is the foremost reason why I'm applying to the DENSIS program. The DENSIS program aligns perfectly with my pre-existing knowledge, as the courses taught in the vertical bar of its T-shaped training profile are a direct extension to the projects that I am currently pursuing. Moreover, I am deeply impressed with the way it integrates techno-economic and socio-political aspects for the decentralized smart energy systems. However, my biggest attraction to this program is its approach of problem-based learning involving case and challenge-based modules, as I believe that they can best prepare me to achieve my goal in the future. I believe that the amalgamation of decentralized smart energy systems along with power-to-hydrogen energy storage techniques is one of the most plausible solutions to power our green economies in the future, which is exactly why I want to work on this area. The DENSIS program beautifully provides a holistic understanding about them via its journey of specialization track 3 in Polito, which is why I innately get attracted to it. Moreover, the most fascinating thing about this program is its journey to 4 highly sustainable countries, all in the top 30 ranks of both Sustainable Development and Environmental Performance Index, which would give me new ideas, perspectives, and solutions to best work towards sustainable development. I've had an oratorical journey alongside my academics, in which I've had the fortune of attending a couple of international Immune conferences, NIMAN and GMAN. Due to such opportunities, I experienced how catalytic multicultural exposures are for one's grooming, and for the same reason, I'm looking for a kind of education that would allow me to surround myself with multitudes of cultures and peoples, grooming me in every dimension. Eventually, with this realization that DENSIS and I are striving for the same vision, I am convinced that we are a perfect fit for each other. I hope to see you all soon.